2, 3. Hey guys, it's ShadowFlower here today, and I'm here with Herminey. And
Hi.
yeah, say hi. Welcome
Hi.
to my channel, and hi from her channel.
Okay, yeah.
Oh wow. Do you want to be rude like that?
Oh, yeah, I don't know what to say.
Oh, me neither. But we're collabing today, and you know we're doing Skywars because Skywars is the bomb.
Yeah,
Literally the bomb.
like the only game that I play.
Yeah, true.
Because,
Same. That's what my channel is made of. Just Skywars.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, well, I
We
guess
got of Skywars.
I literally got iron boots in that chest. So,
Here, I got you. Here. Have these. And then here, have this diamond sword.
thanks.
No problem. And then I got a enchantment table. But
You need enchants? Oh, I'm dying.
oh, same. Okay, I'm just gonna use this regen on both of us. Okay. Oh my gosh, this box is really uncomfortable. Yes, I'm using a box as a stand.
Sorry, someone like walked into my room.
Oh.
Rude.
I heard. I was just like, oh.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. You know. It always happens.
I'm gonna block a route to like.
Yeah, one
If
of
I
these.
can even place this down, okay.
Okay, I don't understand why people blow up their
Oh my god, it's so annoying.
Their like things, whatever you call them, their pods, and
They're
yeah, that's what I almost did. Okay.
That is so sad. Wait, I'm not dead.
What?
Okay, I almost died there. Okay. Hi.
Okay, hi.
I'm not dead.
Where
Look
are
down.
you?
Look down. No, someone's gonna kill me. So, yep, someone's trying to kill me, and I'm not surviving. Okay, someone. No,
Oh, I see your name. Come up here now. Or
I can't. I have 2 blocks.
yeah. I don't have
Do
any
you want to like? Okay.
blocks.
I'm just gonna. No. Okay, I fell.
Oh, you fell.
Yeah. So I'm now lagging.
Rip.
Good luck.
2K16.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm on fire.
Oh, what do we talk about?
I don't know. We're kind of just like talking about random stuff. So, I got her name wrong. We never rehearsed it. Our intro. I'll put
Oh,
that
yeah, I
in.
should probably give you some armor.
Yeah, I have, thanks, man. I really appreciate it. So, what do you do on your channel?
Well, I record, I like some SMPs, and I want to do
Same.
my own through series, and I just joined a modded SMP, so.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I do Skywars, survival, all Minecraft stuff. I do like a lot of things. And I was supposed to be in Disney UHC, but you know, I missed that. And I was very mad at myself.
Oh no. I think that person's hacked the lacking.
Yes. Oh, what? How did I die? Nobody hit me. I'm done.
Oh yeah, that dude behind you just decided to kill you.
Oh, okay. So he came.
I literally have no sword.
Oh, here. I almost gave you my diamond sword. I was just like, I'm not that kind.
Wow.
I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm really not, but you know.
Well, I have a power 3 bow, so you just fell.
Me too. I did not fall.
No, I really have no blocks. And
that guy just hacked on me too. I was just like, oh, I killed him, but then he used a hack.
Oh. What hackers?
Yeah, those hackers. So.
Okay.
Okay, you know. I'm just gonna go in. Go in. Is there anything in there?
I got a sharpness 2. But it's gold. No, there's people here. Help, 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 help.
I got you. I got you.
Oh, no, never mind.
No, I
I'm
don't.
dead.
No, I don't. I'm dead. I give up. I give up in life. It's weird. Guys, why are you guys like this? Why do you guys just take pictures of girls and then send them to their friends saying, oh my gosh, look how hot she is? Like,
I always wonder what, like, boys talk about, because, like...
True. I'm gonna name this, what do boys talk about? Yeah, boys, what do you guys talk about? Okay, well, if it's anything nasty, which I have a feeling it is, please don't comment that down below, because really, I don't want to listen to it.
Oh my goodness, I have no blocks.
Here.
Mine. Oh my god.
Okay, here, I got blocks. Those didn't fall down like that 32. I have 32. Watch out, this guy's gonna wait.
Okay. I'm gonna just like try and just like jump from here. So yeah.
Oh, same. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm usually not that good at parkour. What was this?
Oh, I suck at parkour.
Me too. I can't remember where. Okay, I don't even know what that was.
I made the biggest mistake of hacker. Oh.
Okay, we got ganked.
Cleanup like need. Oh, I was gonna take that, but I guess not.
You know, I took it first, so dibs. So boom.
I'm just gonna like throw these out.
Oh, wow. We could have gotten a really good thing on that.
Yeah, just how like you threw the wood out. Yeah.
Yeah. Rip that sword that I just threw out on accident. Oh, not bored. What am I doing?
I'm just like leaving you.
Oh, I see you. I see. Okay. I thought we were friends. You know, we're new friends, but you know.
Yeah, I'm meeting new people online.
Yeah.
I make like
safest thing ever.
I just like meet a bunch of like my best friends on here.
Yeah, true. I have like internet best.
Oh no.
Oh no, boo. Honey.
Okay, I'm dead.
Honey.
Good luck.
Honey.
You have to like edit that part out too.
No, I'm gonna keep this in. I don't care if little kids are gonna watch it. Little kids are gonna find out about it soon.
Oh, thanks for the helmet that I already have.
Yeah.
Oh no,
okay.
You didn't even give me a helmet.
Oh. Well, I mean, you know, it's called the video. You learn about your, what girls go through.
Yeah, just stop there.
Yeah. That was like the worst day ever.
Okay.
We would get in trouble if we would have laughed in the part of the video.
What are you cooking? Oh.
I don't know. I'm just talking to that guy that I'm killing.
Oh,
Watch out.
No.
Watch out. I'm going in.
No one likes me on here.
Not even me. I don't even know why I'm collabing with you. Just kidding.
I might as well just leave.
A lot of rounds of this.
Yeah, I know.
You know, this is going to be a 40-minute video.
I think it's because we keep dying, like, right away,
So, you know, yeah, true.
I must have full diamond.
Wow, that's nice.
But
I have an iron chest plate. That's, oh, wow, thanks for just giving me the iron crap.
Oh, sorry, give me my boots if you want to steal them from me.
Whoa. I thought you said something else. Sorry. It's
so
late. It's late, you know.
Yeah, blame it on it. Yeah.
Are
you just gonna leave me here?
Yeah, true.
Let's do that enchant. Oh my goodness, I pressed Okay,
we're fine. We're fine. You know, we got this.
No, we're not. Oh my god, no, 3 people, leave, just come for the cleanup. No, 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 no. Clean up, clean up. Never mind, never
Bye.
mind. Oh, did you just die on me? Wow.
No.
Oh, no, you're not.
Oh, now I just
what?
died. Is it summer for you?
Yeah, but, like, I still have, let's see. Oh my god. I still have, like, a week and 3 days of school left.
Oh, I've been out.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
because
Like,
you.
everyone's out of school but me.
Well, I have friends that
What? Oh.
live in your country.
Canada. Oh, Canada.
Canada. Oh, America.
Who do you
Oh,
know?
the United
Okay.
States. Okay, I'm sorry.
Who do you know that lives in Canada?
I know about 2. Well, actually, maybe more. I don't know why I'm talking like that.
Oh my god, those people are blowing it up.
Dude, why do
problems? They just
why do
killed.
you
Oh my
do
god.
that?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna kill you if you don't stop.
Oh, me?
No, that dude that's just like, falling us to the max.
Hey, watch this guy. Watch this guy. Rip me. Okay, this one's good. Okay, actually, I suck at this map, so, you know, we're gonna die right off the bat.
Okay. Oh, there's like a diamond sword in that chest, so if you want it, take
What?
it.
Oh, give it. That was a diamond,
no,
pickaxe.
In the other chest.
Uh-oh. Oh, okay, thanks. I take it.
Oh my goodness, are you gonna give me that armor, or just like...
Oh, I didn't know. Okay, there. You can have just iron. I don't even care.
Okay.
Just kidding.
Not poison? I can give you poison, like...
No, thanks.
Okay, I'll just, like, put it.
Stop! Okay, I can't. Sorry.
How about we just YOLO jump?
YOLO!
We're probably gonna die down here, because... Oh, no.
Oh, I'm done. I'm going back.
Go back, yeah.
I'm
just gonna leave you down there. I'm just kidding. No! I have some blocks, someone's coming.
Shh.
We should sneak up on this. No, he sees me.
Dude.
Never mind.
Of course he sees you.
On them. Oh my god, they're all fighting.
They're all fighting. I'm
They're
gonna
just,
join
like,
into
in my
this
way.
fight.
Wow.
Wow, I'm gonna join this fight with my bows and maybe get that last kill, maybe. When you're just
missing.
The bow is messing up. It's like
no,
it's like lagged. Whoa. Okay. Hey, this dude is coming for us. So yeah.
Why did you start YouTube?
Oh, I started YouTube because well, I used to have a doll. I used to have a doll channel, and then I found out about Minecraft, and you know, I fell in love with it. Literally in love with it. So, you know, I got married to it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I had a wedding reception. But you know, yeah, I kind of watched LD Shadow Lady, Stacy Plays, Joey Graceffa, even though sometimes he's not a Minecraft person, but you know, still doesn't matter. But yeah.
Here, you can have that. There was like a diamond sword in one of these chests. I'm like really not sure. Oh, that one over there.
Which one? This one?
Mhm.
Oh, thanks. Hey. So, why did you start YouTube?
I used to watch my brother play for like hours, and I'm like, what is this block game? And after I like searched it up on YouTube, and then I saw YouTubers, and I was like, oh my god, this is amazing. And then I thought I wanted to do it, so then I just started recording it.
I'm about to. Oh, no, I'm not about to die.
Oh my goodness, snowballer.
How did you come up with your name?
Okay, so like, it's a long story, but like, everyone thinks it's like something to do with Harry Potter. Which I really don't like Harry Potter that much. I mean,
I don't even know any more about Harry Potter, so, you know.
I know it's like some magical fantasy thing, yeah.
Hey, watch
oh my god, I swear on my life. Huh?
I was about to say, hey, watch out, but, you know, you
died.
But
I was just being weird. Good luck with your fishing pole.
Yeah, no. So hey dude, you wanna make a peace treaty
Why did
of
you come up with your name?
our French. I was gonna do, actually my name was actually gonna be Shadow Wolf and or Shadow Fox, but I was just like, there's probably already a Shadow Wolf because I looked it up, and so you know, I already debated of having Shadow, and I said yes, definitely I'm having Shadow in my name, and then my sister was just like, what about ShadowFlower? I was just like, maybe. And yeah, and I picked it finally, so yeah.
Did you make your skin?
Yeah, I made my skin. I've only had 2 skins. This is my 2nd skin. My other skin I made from hand. This one I made from like a ref from hair. I just changed everything.
I was just like, I had brown hair, and then my friend was like, you should try blue hair, and I was like, maybe, and then she did it for me, and I'm like, this is cute.
Well, blue's my favorite color.
Same.
Yes, twins. I'm gonna throw him off that.
Oh, he's at 5 hearts. Oh my god.
Thank you guys for watching today's video and today's video on hers with, you know, I'm not even gonna try saying
Herminey?
Hermione, yeah, I knew that. We made some sounds, we talked, yeah.
I'll link her channel in the description so you can go.
Yeah, same with her. And yeah, there's gonna be more collabs soon if I don't kill her, so you know.
Yeah.
And she doesn't kill me, or we just start hitting each other. So, bye. See you never. Bye.
Yeah, I'm just quitting YouTube, so bye.
Yeah, bye. Same.